Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. Today we are going to draw a Spider-Man and do the shading with pencils, graphite pencil. Okay, so let us start. For this, first we have to divide the page to find the center point. So for this I'm going to take the middle point of this paper, and this is 29 and a half. So I'll be taking around 14.5, 19.5. I'll take till 19, and that would be 9 and a half, and draw the center lines so that you can find the center point of the paper. Now from here I'll be taking 5 centimeters. I'll just mark a point from this center middle point. I'll be marking over here, and I'll just draw a circle, measuring this 5 centimeters. Drawing a circle. And this way. Now we have got a circle, and we have got the middle points. Now we have got the center line here, and we'll make one more center line over here. Shall make the chin line now, taking exactly the same length of this. This is 5 centimeters from the center line to this point. Now from here to here we'll take 5 centimeters, and we'll mark the chin point, chin line, and this will be making around 3 centimeters. Okay, yeah. Draw one straight line. Now we'll just draw one straight line from the center line until this chin line. And this way, this is very rough line, and exactly the same length we'll be drawing one more line over here, and we'll be drawing the face of this. We'll be joining the chin with this part from here, and from this center line where the two lines are meeting, there we'll make a curve and if at all you're not able to make this curve properly, draw a curve over here and draw one more curve over here, and then join this in this way. Okay, now we got this. Okay, we got this. Now we'll be making the eye parts. So this is the circle middle point, and here we'll just take a pointed pencil, and we'll just make this into a little bit curve this way and this way. Okay, now we have this point over here and this point, and we'll be joining these two in this way, and the same way as here, this point and this in this way. Now we'll make the inner line of the eye. So we'll just mark this also. We'll take exactly according to the measurement. Actually we can take 1 centimeter around and mark. From here we'll take 1 centimeter and mark a point here, and the same way here, mark at 1 centimeter. See that these both are equal in this way. Okay, and from the same point we'll be drawing a curve. We should not join this, and here also we'll be doing the same. This will be just a curve, but we are not joining to the line. And now from there get a straight line here, and just a little bit above from the line give a curve, and see, now here also mark one straight line, slipping line, so that you're both the curves and at the same point. And now here at the same point, this point we have started this line and this curve also. So there itself we'll just give a straight line, a little bit straight line, and then give a curve, a little bit straight. Okay, and see this and give the curve in this way. Here also give a slight straight line, and maybe approximately this will be half centimeter, and give this, and here get the straight line a little bit above of this slipping line, just give a curve and join this in this way. See that you have equal distance over here. So the eyes of the Spider-Man have come a little bit rough sketch has been done of the eyes. We have given this curve. Now what we'll do, we'll just get a slight curve here and one more curve over here, giving a slight space in between these two, okay, and give a curve in this way. Right, now take the pointed pencil so that will be easy for you in this way, and now give a little bit above, maybe 1 centimeter above mark over here, and exactly the same over here, and give a curve and mark this. Make everything rough, very light, so that we can adjust accordingly in the later times when we are doing it final work. And now take mark a center point between this point and this point. This would be somewhere over here, and give a curve. This curve should come in this way. The curve should face downwards. The same thing over here. Take the same measurement over here, and this should match, and this should be the center point for this, and give a curve. As I told, everything will be of middle points, okay? And now this part, give a curve in this way for the central middle points, and now mark a middle point for this and this. That would be here, and just give. And now see this curve. This curve would face upwards in this way. Okay, now a middle point over here, and this should be the same over here. We can adjust this line and see the curve where it is starting from here, so give it upwards. Now what we do is, we'll find a middle point from here to here. This will be the middle point, and the same way make a line and see that you are making a middle point over here between this and this in this curve, okay? And now we'll be joining this, giving a slight curve. See this? A slight curve, and here also this will be in this way. So give a curve like this, and here also give a curve in the same way. See the point, all the points are joining from here. In this way, make a straight line, slight curve, and join this. In this way. Now this is done. Now we'll just give the curves. We'll be doing this point. We'll just give a small curve over here, and the same way we'll be doing. Hold your pencil far so that you can draw the curves perfectly and perfectly and lightly. If it's not perfect, but maybe the light, because we need very light curves for the first time. And now find a center point or middle point for these two dots and make a point over here, and draw one more curve on this way, and this will be the center middle point over here, and this will be the middle point over here, and next join this here and this part here. Done. Now we'll just find a middle point over here from this point, or from this point. So this will be the middle point. So I'll be making a curve a little bit below the middle point. So here I'll be drawing 1, 2, and one more curve to the above line, not the inner line, above line, and just join this. And here also the same way. So we have these curves, and next we'll be drawing one curve in this way and one in this way. See the distance here, the distance is more, here the distance is less between these two. So let me adjust this part. So everything we can adjust here, just like this. And now find a middle point between these two, that would be here, and draw the curve the same way here. So almost the face part is done. Make a point, find a middle point between this and this. So this will be the middle point, this and from here. So make a curve over here and a curve over here, and this time we'll be taking the curve in this angle, and we'll just try to meet this place and this place here, and one more, find in between these two a middle point and join this, and this will be till here and here, this, and this will go and meet here on this way. One more in between these two, that would be here. So make a curve over here, and this part and this part. So the face is almost done. Now let us find the neck point. So we'll just draw a little bit down. We'll just find a middle point from here to here. This would be the middle point, and draw a neck over here. And this will be a little bit below the chin. And the same thing here, we'll be drawing from here the neckline a little bit below the chin, maybe 1 centimeter below the chin. And or if not, if at all you want to see this also in exact measurements, this would be around 5 centimeters. See, this will be 5, and this also will be 5 centimeters. And from this point, take 4 centimeters and make a point and make a triangle in this way. Join these two, join this two. So we got the neck, and now to draw the shoulder, about this 1 centimeter from here, and draw the chin part, and this chin part will go below this neck. So just give in this way, give the curve in this way, and here also the same way here, and mark this point over here and just draw the line, curve. Okay, give the two curves so that we get the shoulder of the Spider-Man. Now we'll work on the neck part of the Spider-Man. So for this here, we have got this. So let us give the curve. Necks are not straight, right? So that will have a slight curve. So from here, just give a slight curve in this way. Here also give it slight curve in this way. Take a middle point over here and mark 1 over here, and take a middle point over here and mark 1 point over here, and just draw the line. And here also the same, mark in the center. See this, these both dots are at same level, and mark this point. Now we have this point in the curve, so just give a curve in this angle 1, and see that you have a middle point over here, approximately this. Join this, and this part in this middle, and center of this in this way. And we have this curve, make it a little bit curve, and over here, and this also make a curve, this also a curve, and join this here. Okay, now extend this part. We can just give a curve, this, give a curve this way, like this, this and this, and give a curve in this way. This. So we are making till this shoulder. That's it. Now, so we have got everything, the outline figure, we have got it.